Good evening, everyone. Welcome to box break number 711 for Milansoccer1313. It is for a hobby series 2. It is the second box of a fresh case, and it is Thursday, April the 6th. I will show you date and time right here. You can see it's 11:09 on April 6th right there. Just going to quickly run through the rules as usual, just for anybody that's new, and also just to explain a couple of things around the serial number. The first thing around the serial number is it was out of a fresh case, so not all the listings had the serial number in them. All this other information is there except for that serial number, but we did add them to bids or to teams that were not bid on. So if you go into today's box break under 711, you'll see that serial number under Arizona and Anaheim. It's under the two teams that weren't bid on. Again, that's just because the listings went up before the cases were available, or we had the product in hand. We have the product in hand, and now the serial number is up. Again, just to go through the rules real quick, it's listed in the listings, of course, but just to go over it one more time, we'll pick on BB Kids here for a moment. If there's going to be, most likely, and there should be, a hit in every pack, but if Columbus Blue Jackets do not come out for BB Kids, there will be no shipment. As always, we hope that everybody gets a hit, but it does happen that someone does not get a hit, and therefore you would not get a shipment. Again, lots of great cards in this box. Exciting product to open. First one for me this year. So let's get through it and let's get to it and have some fun now that we got all of that out of the way. Starting off, BB Kids has the Columbus Blue Jackets. The Ducks belong to Dart Player. The Bruins, the Oilers belong to Fire Guy 77. The Coyotes belong to G-Time. The Senators, the Canucks, the Knights, and the Jets belong to Johnny Doo. The Canadiens, Devils, Rangers, Flyers, Penguins, Sharks, Kraken, and Capitals. Let's do that one more time in case I missed any. Canadiens, Devils, Rangers, Flyers, Pens, Sharks, Kraken, and Caps belong to Mistab 29. The Sabres belong to Raychev 87. The Kings, Second Shift Collectibles. The Canes, that's Slabdigo 619. The Blues, Sly Mix. The Flames and the Wild, Spares 91. The Leafs belong to Steelman 2727. The Wings, Super Pop Collectibles. The Stars, Ville 67. The Hawks, the Avs, the Panthers, the Predators, the Islanders, and the Lightning, Zaxel 4512. So, like I said before, we're going to come up here, check the serial number on Arizona and Anaheim. We're going to open it and I'm going to shift, and you'll see the serial number in a moment. Here we go. There it is, 8274. Let's get cracking. Good luck to everyone. Like I said, this is the first one for me to open this year of a Series 2. Hoping there's lots of big hits as usual. Here we go. All right. Let's get cracking. 24 packs. Let's start out with number 1. Looking for some big cards. Oh, and it starts off with a nice young gun, and it's Jaden Harlwax from your San Jose Sharks. Congratulations to San Jose. That's a nice start. Oh, and it's a Calder, Power of Calder, Owen Power, from your Buffalo Sabres. Power 4 Calder. And it's an honor roll rookie. No, sorry, an honor roll superstar, Elmer Soderblom from your Detroit Red Wings. Well, that's a nice one. It's a highlight clear cut of Karl Vamicek, great goalie on Arizona. That's a nice looking clear cut card. Very nice, nice hit for your Arizona Coyotes. I gotta imagine that one is probably a little bit more on the rare side. Still going through Cardboard Connections to understand all of them, but that one looks like a really nice hit for your Arizona Coyotes. Oh, and I like these ones, the Lunchbox Legends. That's Jason Robertson from your Dallas Stars. Nice hit there too. Those are just fun cards. And it's the Instant Impressions, Jordan Binnington from your St. Louis Blues. Good old Jordan Binnington. Oh, and it's a rookie portrait of Mark Kastelek from your Ottawa Senators. That's a nice card. Oh, I skipped right over him. Sorry about that. And it's a nice card too. It's a young gun. Looked too far ahead because I saw the yellow in the back of it. It's a young gun, Dylan Holloway from your Edmonton Oilers. It's a nice card. Again, we expect a hit out of every pack, but if we don't see one, we go through it a couple times. And if it's not there, we will come back to it. That's the checklist. Nothing there. Comment. And a young gun, Grant Hutton from your New York Islanders. Back-to-back young guns. Oh, and a nice canvas of TJ Oshie from your Washington Capitals. And it's a superstar honor roll, Dylan Holloway from your Edmonton Oilers. Back to back, not back to back, but two Holloways. And another Lunchbox Legend. That's Philip Forsberg from your Nashville Predators. Oh, nice. Program of Excellence, Jordy Spence. Now, this one I'll just have to look up. Again, we always have to check these things. This Program of Excellence, we'll see which team he belongs to and see if he's assigned that team. If he's not assigned that team, we will just check on Cardboard Connections real quick to see where he is, or I'll give it a look. Put that aside for now. We'll figure that one out. Again, we'll look to see if he's drafted. Belongs to a team. If not, he gets randomized, and then we double check later. But always making sure. And there's a UD canvas of Sergei Bobrovsky from your Florida Panthers. And a nice young gun of Pavel Fregenda, from your Anaheim Ducks. And it's a UD canvas of Tristan Jarry for your Pittsburgh Penguins. Let's put this guy a little bit on a different spot. Of course, he's not cooperating with me. There we go. Let's put him in here, just so we keep him safe. And it's a rookie portrait of Caden Korsak. Nice Vegas night. Congratulations, Vegas. Oh, look at that. That's a nice Austin Matthews World Juniors grad for your Toronto Maple Leafs. Class of 16. Remember those cards from the 90s. They brought them back. A little shinier, a little sparklier. There it is, a dazzler for Jack McBain. Not to be confused with the Simpsons, but that's Jack McBain from your Arizona Coyotes. Oh, let's see what we got here. Do we have a French variant somewhere here? That's looking like a French variant, and it is. You can see the French behind there. It's a French variant for your Florida Panthers, Aaron Ekblad. That's just a standard checklist. Oh, and we get these one a box. It's Arizona, the city of Arizona. Very nice. That, of course, goes to Arizona. Young gun, Andrei Kuzamenko. This is a very nice young gun rookie for your Vancouver Canucks. Nice rising star. Actually a very, very nice young gun to hit. And another young gun, Ronnie Attard for your Philadelphia Flyers. Last pack, we're going to go back over to check date and time in the last hit. Then we're going to just check who Jordan Spencer is going to belong to. And there's a lunchbox legend for Cale Makar for your Colorado Avalanche. So I'm just going to do a little digging to see if we can see if Jordan Spencer was drafted by a team or if he's available still. Just bear with me. If not, we will randomize. Oh, while I do that, let me just, before I forget, go to good old Cale Makar, Colorado. Where are you, Colorado? Colorado Avalanche, Zach Sull, 4512. There is the date and time again, guys. I am just looking up Jordan Spencer. Just bear with me. Sorry, Jordan Spence. And Jordan is an Australian-born guy, and it looks like he belongs to the LA Kings. So LA has drafted Jordan. Again, we'll double check this, but I'm looking at it right now. Wearing an LA Kings jersey. He's more than likely belonging to the LA Kings. So Jordan Spence is an LA King. That's who that hit belongs to. And just want to say goodnight. Thanks.